Welcome to Rolling Meadows at Wayside, a 55 and older active adult community located in the heart of Ocean Township. The gated community is comprised of 328 low-maintenance single-family homes. The beautiful clubhouse includes a fitness center, indoor sauna, game rooms, library, meeting room, business center, and crafts rooms. The amenities continue outdoors with an in-ground pool, tennis, bocce ball, and shuffleboard courts. There are horseshoe pits, a putting green, and scenic landscaping along the walking and biking trails. The amenities continues outdoors to a large oversized patio looking over the in-ground pool. There are tennis, bocce ball, and shuffleboard courts, horseshoe pits, a putting green, and scenic landscaping along the walking and biking trails. The community is conveniently located near the Garden State Parkway, Route 18, 35, and 36, close to golf courts, shopping venues, restaurants, parks, and of course the beautiful beaches and boardwalks of the Jersey Shore. Welcome to 232 Rolling Meadows Boulevard, located in the northern section of the Wayside development, close to the residence entrance and exit. The home features a 2-car garage, a wraparound front porch, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 full bathrooms, and a bonus loft. Let's have a look inside. Upon entering the home, you come to the 2-story foyer. To the left is the living room or an office space. As you go to the right, there's a nice sized formal dining room. Throughout the main level, you will notice the hardwood floors and the high ceilings. Here we are entering the family room with a built-in entertainment center. Located off the family room is the large eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, designer cabinetry, undermount lighting, and stainless steel appliances. You can access the private wooded backyard through the sliders in the family room. There's a rear paver stone patio and a large side yard. Down the hallway, there's a half bathroom, plenty of closet space, the laundry room, and access to the garage. A great feature of this home is the first floor master suite. The master bath is oversized with a large soaking tub, a stall shower, tile flooring, plenty of storage, and double vanity sinks. The bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, wall-to-wall carpeting, a vaulted ceiling, and views of the wooded backyard. Here we are in the loft on the 2nd floor landing, which is open to the floor below. It easily can be converted to another bedroom. Here is the 2nd floor full bathroom with a wide vanity, a tub with shower with sliding glass doors. Here is the 2nd bedroom with a large walk-in closet, plenty of space for storage. Thank you for touring 232 Rolling Meadows Boulevard in Rolling Meadows at Wayside Adult Community, located in Ocean Township. In-person tours are available by appointment.